Looking for the best Coroplast cutters? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Coroplast cutters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Belk, number 1 Thin Card Knife Carbon Black Miniature Hobby Craft Folding Knives. Blade is thinner than 2 credit cards. Measures 2.8 inches when closed. Titanium carbon blade cuts cardboard, paper, plastics, Coroplast, foam board, gator board, wood, film and acetate. Ball chain and hanging hole for convenient neckwear. Recessed finger grooves. This multi-purpose knife is thin enough to slip in a wallet, so it's always ready when you need it. Good mostly for smaller jobs, not heavy-duty use. At number 2. OLFA, 9021 USCL 18mm heavy-duty utility knife with 90-degree cutting base. Utility knife cuts Coroplast, ceiling tile, corrugate, gator board and foam board. Handle made of high-impact ABS with built-in staple remover. Ratchet wheel blade lock allows variety of blade positioning. Tool-free blade change. Comfortable to use, versatile. This versatile utility knife cuts Coroplast as well as a variety of other media, too. The cutting guide is not terribly useful. Some found the blades were not sharp enough to cut certain materials. At number 1. Trax, CCD4 Coro-Claw 4mm Coroplast Cutter. Get a better grip with this ergonomic handle design. Cuts easily along flutes as well as full or partial sheets. Easily makes an inside or outside bend. Can make a box or column by cutting 3 corners. Makes it easy to cut straight. A great basic cutter that's good for cutting single Coroplast layers with the flutes. It's not intended, however, for cutting across the flutes. Designed for cutting with the flutes, not across flutes. Does not work as well going through double layers. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.